Good afternoon, tutor. This is the final evaluation about my lesson plan template. Mm, First, I'm going to give a short introduction before starting with the class development. Um, this class is made for teen adolescents of 7th grade whose ages are between 13 to 16. Okay? The main objective in this class is to help students to understand how to apply the forms of demonstratives, singular, plural, and concepts such as close and far. Mm, The specific objectives are students underline the differences between the structures for close and far objects. Another one is students identify the structure of singular and plural for objects which are near or far. Also, students use demonstratives to speak and write about objects located around them or others. Well, now the first part of this class template begins with the warm-up. That is important because with this we can activate students' previous knowledge and prepare them for the class new information. So, for this warm-up, we need the following sources: a ball or soft material. The time limit for the warm-up is 10 minutes, and the source consists on the game Tingo Tingo Tango. Uh, I consider this is a good activity because makes students to be active, think fast, and use what they know. Here we are going to focus on verb to be in simple present. The procedure is teacher asks students to keep their school supplies and then gives them a ball, and students start passing the ball until teacher sings tango. The students with the ball has to write on the board an affirmative sentence or a negative one, or answer a yes/no question or a WH questions using verb to be in simple present. Mm, The next step for this template is the presentation. The resources for this stage are flashcards, video beam, computer, and a PowerPoint presentation. The time limit is 30 minutes. Teacher shows some flashcards of professions and different elements to students such as cell phones, video games, etc. to remember vocabulary from other topics. Also, on the board, the teacher draws some arrows and extends some of the flashcards near another part of this, so the students understand this concept. After teachers makes a short presentation using a PowerPoint presentation with images, examples, and exercises to present the grammar structures of demonstratives, and the students can practice in a spoken form. Well, to continue, we have the practice step. So, teacher gives different worksheets of multiple choice and fill in the blanks about demonstratives, where students must choose the correct grammatical answer according to the explanation of demonstratives. Another step is production. Teacher organizes the front part in the classroom with flashcards in a supermarket organization. Students organize groups of maximum 5. Then they must prepare a dialogue where they will apply all the structures worked in class. After, they record a video where they perform their dialogues and present them to the class. Also, we have the assessments. The resources are video beam, computer, and game prepared by the teacher at Jeopardy! First, the teacher organizes the students in groups of 6 and asks them to keep a group name. Then, students write the group name and the group members. All the students in the group have to participate. Every participant selects one option from the Jeopardy squares in order to gain a question, which should be answered in a limited time. If they do so, they get a point. At the end, and the group with more points will get a prize. That can be a candy, extra points, or anything the teacher prefers. Um, Besides the assessment, teacher gives to students 2 final workshops related to the topic demonstratives. Finally, the consolidation. So, teacher plays again Tingo Tango to students, but this time they have to use demonstratives while writing the sentence in the board, and the other classmates help to decide if they are or not correct in the results. Um, okay, teacher, thanks for your attention and see you soon.